Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore the essential strategies to help your website rank higher on Google. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or digital marketer, understanding how Google's ranking system works is crucial for online success. We'll break down the most effective SEO techniques, from keyword research to technical optimization, and guide you step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to boost your site's visibility and attract more organic traffic. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to climbing the Google search results together. To rank higher, it's important to understand how Google's algorithm evaluates websites. Google uses hundreds of ranking factors, including relevance, authority, and user experience. The algorithm is constantly evolving, so staying updated is key. Google's main goal is to provide users with the most relevant and high-quality results for their queries. This means your content needs to be both valuable and trustworthy. In the next scenes, we'll break down the most important factors you should focus on to improve your ranking. Keyword research is the foundation of effective SEO. It involves identifying the words and phrases your target audience is searching for. By targeting the right keywords, you can create content that matches user intent and increases your chances of ranking higher. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords, as they are more specific and often easier to rank for. Next, we'll look at how to integrate these keywords into your content naturally. Once you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your on-page content. This means including your target keywords in strategic places, such as the title, headings, and throughout the body text. However, avoid keyword stuffing as it can harm your ranking. Instead, aim for a natural flow that provides value to readers. Use synonyms and related terms to help Google understand your topic better. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to craft compelling meta titles and descriptions. Meta titles and descriptions are crucial for both SEO and user engagement. Your meta title should include your main keyword and accurately describe the page content. The meta description should be concise, persuasive, and also contain relevant keywords. These elements appear in search results and influence whether users click on your link. Well-crafted meta tags can improve your click-through rate and signal to Google that your page is relevant. Next, let's look at optimizing your website structure. A clear and logical site structure helps both users and search engines navigate your website. Organize your content into categories and use internal links to connect related pages. This not only improves user experience but also helps distribute link equity throughout your site. Make sure your navigation menu is simple and intuitive. A well-structured site makes it easier for Google to crawl and index your pages, which can positively impact your rankings. Next, we'll discuss the importance of mobile optimization. With the majority of searches now happening on mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is essential. Google uses mobile-first indexing, meaning it primarily evaluates the mobile version of your site. Ensure your website is responsive, loads quickly, and provides a seamless experience on all devices. Test your site using Google's mobile-friendly test tool. In the next scene, we'll cover how to improve your website loading speed for even better rankings. Site speed is a critical ranking factor. A slow website can frustrate users and increase bounce rates, which negatively affects your SEO. Optimize images, leverage browser caching, and minimize code to boost loading times. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you identify and fix speed issues. Remember, even small improvements in load time can make a big difference in user satisfaction and search rankings. Next, let's talk about the importance of high-quality content. Content is king when it comes to SEO. Google rewards websites that provide valuable, original, and comprehensive information. Focus on answering your audience's questions and solving their problems. Use clear language, engaging visuals, and well-structured formatting. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. High-quality content not only attracts visitors but also encourages other sites to link to you, boosting your authority. Next, we'll explore the role of backlinks in ranking higher. Backlinks, or links from other websites to yours, are a major factor in Google's ranking algorithm. High-quality backlinks from reputable sites signal to Google that your content is trustworthy and authoritative. Focus on earning backlinks through guest posting, partnerships, and creating shareable content. Avoid spammy link building tactics as they can lead to penalties. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to analyze and improve your backlink profile. Regularly analyzing your backlink profile helps you understand which sites are linking to you and the quality of those links. Use tools like Ahrefs or Moz to monitor your backlinks and identify any toxic or low-quality links. Disavow harmful links to prevent negative impacts on your rankings. Look for opportunities to gain more high-quality backlinks by reaching out to industry influencers and creating valuable resources. Next, we'll look at the importance of user experience in SEO. User experience (UX) plays a significant role in SEO. Google wants to deliver the best possible results to users, so it favors websites that are easy to navigate, visually appealing, and provide a seamless experience. Factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and clear calls to action all contribute to a positive UX. Pay attention to how users interact with your site and make improvements based on their behavior. Next, we'll discuss the importance of secure websites. Security is a ranking factor for Google. Websites with HTTPS encryption are favored over those without. HTTPS protects user data and builds trust with your audience. If your website isn't secure, consider installing an SSL certificate as soon as possible. Not only does this improve your SEO, but it also reassures visitors that their information is safe. In the next scene, we'll look at the role of structured data in SEO. Structured data helps search engines better understand your content. By adding schema markup to your website, you can enhance your listings with rich snippets such as ratings, reviews, and event details. These enhancements make your search results more attractive and can increase your click-through rate. Use Google's structured data testing tool to check your implementation. Next, we'll discuss the importance of regular content updates. Google values fresh content. Regularly updating your website with new articles, blog posts, or updated information signals to Google that your site is active and relevant. Review your existing content and update outdated information, add new insights, or expand on popular topics. This not only helps with rankings but also keeps your audience engaged. In the next scene, we'll look at the importance of optimizing images for SEO. Images can enhance your content, but they also need to be optimized for SEO. Use descriptive file names and alt text that include relevant keywords. Compress images to reduce file size and improve loading speed. Properly optimized images can drive traffic from Google image search and contribute to overall site performance. In the next scene, we'll discuss the benefits of creating a sitemap for your website. A sitemap is a file that lists all the important pages on your website, helping search engines crawl and index your content more efficiently. Create an XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console. This ensures that all your pages are discoverable and can improve your site's visibility in search results. Regularly update your sitemap as you add new content. Next, we'll look at the role of robots.txt in SEO. The robots.txt file tells search engines which pages or sections of your website should not be crawled. Use it to block access to duplicate content, admin pages, or other non-essential areas. Be careful not to accidentally block important pages. Regularly review your robots.txt file to ensure it's configured correctly. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of fixing broken links. Broken links can harm your SEO and frustrate users. Regularly check your website for broken internal and external links using tools like Screaming Frog or Google Search Console. Fix or remove any broken links to maintain a smooth user experience and ensure search engines can crawl your site effectively. In the next scene, we'll cover the importance of using HTTPS for all pages. Having HTTPS on all pages of your website is essential for both security and SEO. Google gives preference to secure sites, and users are more likely to trust your website if it's fully encrypted. Make sure your SSL certificate is valid and covers every page, not just your homepage. This small step can make a big difference in your search rankings and user trust. Next, we'll discuss the benefits of using Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool that provides valuable insights into your website's performance in search results. Use it to monitor indexing status, identify crawl errors, and see which keywords are driving traffic. You can also submit sitemaps and request indexing for new pages. Regularly reviewing your Search Console data helps you spot issues early and optimize your site for better rankings. Next, we'll look at the importance of analytics in SEO. Analytics tools like Google Analytics help you understand how users interact with your website. Track metrics such as bounce rate, session duration, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. Use this data to refine your content strategy and focus on what's working. Analytics also helps you measure the impact of your SEO efforts over time. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of local SEO for businesses. If you have a local business, optimizing for local SEO is essential. Claim and verify your Google My Business listing, ensure your business information is accurate, and encourage customers to leave reviews. Use local keywords and create location-specific content to attract nearby customers. Local SEO helps you appear in map results and local searches, driving more foot traffic and leads. Next, we'll look at the importance of voice search optimization. Voice search is becoming increasingly popular, especially on mobile devices and smart speakers. Optimize your content for voice search by using natural language, answering common questions, and focusing on conversational keywords. Structured data can also help your content appear in voice search results. As voice search continues to grow, adapting your SEO strategy is essential. Next, we'll discuss the impact of user engagement signals on rankings. Google pays attention to how users interact with your website. Metrics like click-through rate, bounce rate, and time on site can influence your rankings. Create engaging content that encourages visitors to stay longer and explore more pages. Use clear calls to action and interactive elements to boost engagement. Monitoring these signals helps you understand what's resonating with your audience. Next, we'll look at the importance of social signals in SEO. While social signals are not a direct ranking factor, they can indirectly impact your SEO. Content that is widely shared on social media can attract more visitors and earn valuable backlinks. Promote your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to increase its reach. Encourage sharing by adding social buttons to your pages. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of building authority in your niche. Establishing authority in your industry is key to long-term SEO success. Publish in-depth, well-researched content and become a go-to resource for your audience. Network with other experts, participate in industry forums, and contribute guest posts to reputable sites. The more authoritative your website becomes, the higher it will rank in search results. Next, we'll look at the importance of EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google emphasizes EAT when evaluating websites, especially in sensitive areas like health and finance. Demonstrate your expertise by showcasing credentials, linking to reputable sources, and providing accurate information. Build authoritativeness through quality backlinks and positive reviews. Foster trust by being transparent and maintaining a secure, user-friendly site. EAT is an ongoing process that strengthens your site's reputation and ranking. Next, we'll discuss the importance of content depth and comprehensiveness. Google favors content that thoroughly covers a topic. Go beyond the basics by providing detailed explanations, examples, and supporting data. Use headings, bullet points, and visuals to make your content easy to read and understand. Comprehensive content not only ranks better but also keeps visitors engaged longer. In the next scene, we'll look at the benefits of using multimedia elements in your content. Incorporating images, videos, and infographics can make your content more engaging and informative. Multimedia elements help break up text, illustrate complex ideas, and improve user experience. Google also indexes images and videos, providing additional opportunities for your content to appear in search results. Make sure all multimedia is optimized for SEO with descriptive file names and alt text. Next, we'll discuss the importance of content originality. Original content sets your website apart and helps you avoid duplicate content penalties. Always create unique articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. Use plagiarism checkers to ensure your content is original. If you need to reference other sources, add your own insights and perspectives. Google rewards websites that provide fresh, unique value to users. Next, we'll look at the importance of internal linking. Internal links connect related pages within your website, helping users navigate and search engines understand your site structure. Use descriptive anchor text and link to relevant articles or resources. This not only improves user experience but also distributes link equity, boosting the ranking potential of important pages. Regularly audit your internal links to ensure they're working correctly. Next, we'll discuss the importance of external links. Linking to reputable external sources adds credibility to your content and helps Google understand your topic. Only link to trustworthy, high-authority websites. Use external links to support your claims, provide additional information, or reference studies. Avoid linking to low-quality or spammy sites as this can harm your SEO. Next, we'll look at the importance of optimizing for featured snippets. Featured snippets are highlighted answers that appear at the top of Google search results. To optimize for snippets, answer common questions clearly and concisely in your content. Use bullet points, numbered lists, and tables to structure your answers. Providing direct, well-formatted responses increases your chances of being selected for a featured snippet. Next, we'll discuss the importance of page experience signals. Google considers page experience signals like Core Web Vitals, mobile friendliness, and safe browsing when ranking websites. Core Web Vitals measure loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability. Make sure your site loads quickly, responds to user input, and doesn't shift unexpectedly. Improving these signals can boost your rankings and provide a better user experience. Next, we'll look at the importance of accessibility in SEO. An accessible website is usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. Use clear headings, descriptive alt text, and keyboard-friendly navigation. Accessibility improvements not only help users but can also enhance your SEO by making your content easier for search engines to understand. Regularly test your site with accessibility tools and address any issues. Next, we'll discuss the importance of user intent in keyword targeting. User intent refers to the reason behind a search query. Are users looking for information, making a purchase, or seeking a specific website? Align your content with the intent behind your target keywords. This increases the likelihood that your page will satisfy users and rank higher in search results. Analyze search results for your keywords to understand what Google considers relevant. Next, we'll look at the importance of content freshness. Fresh content signals to Google that your website is active and relevant. Regularly publish new articles, update existing pages, and remove outdated information. This not only helps with rankings but also keeps your audience engaged. Monitor trending topics in your industry and create timely content to capture search traffic. Next, we'll discuss the importance of technical SEO audits. Technical SEO audits help you identify and fix issues that may be holding back your rankings. Check for crawl errors, broken links, duplicate content, and slow loading pages. Use tools like Screaming Frog or SEMrush to conduct comprehensive audits. Addressing technical issues ensures that search engines can crawl and index your site effectively. Next, we'll look at the importance of optimizing for international SEO. If your website targets audiences in multiple countries or languages, international SEO is essential. Use hreflang tags to indicate language and regional targeting. Create localized content and optimize for local search engines. Ensure your site structure supports multiple languages and currencies. International SEO helps you reach a global audience and improve rankings in different markets. Next, we'll discuss the importance of monitoring algorithm updates. Google frequently updates its algorithm, which can impact your rankings. Stay informed about major updates by following SEO news and Google's official announcements. Monitor your site's performance and be ready to adapt your strategy if you notice significant changes. Regularly reviewing your SEO practices ensures you stay compliant with the latest guidelines. Next, we'll look at the importance of continuous learning in SEO. SEO is an ever-evolving field. Stay ahead by continuously learning about new trends, tools, and best practices. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and participate in online communities. Experiment with new strategies and measure their impact. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to maintain and improve your rankings over time. Next, we'll discuss the importance of patience and persistence in SEO. Achieving high rankings on Google takes time and consistent effort. Don't expect overnight results. Focus on building a strong foundation with quality content, technical optimization, and ongoing improvements. Monitor your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. Persistence pays off, and with the right strategies, you'll see your site climb the rankings over time. Next, we'll summarize the key takeaways from today's video. Let's recap the most important points for ranking higher on Google. Focus on keyword research, optimize your on-page and technical SEO, create high-quality and original content, build authoritative backlinks, and continuously monitor your progress. Stay updated with Google's algorithm changes and always prioritize user experience. Remember, SEO is a long-term investment that requires patience and persistence. In our final scene, we'll offer some encouragement as you begin your SEO journey. Congratulations on taking the first step toward improving your Google rankings. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies. With dedication and the right approach, you'll see steady progress and lasting results. Thank you for watching, and best of luck as you work to boost your website's visibility and achieve your online goals.